How to rank Amazon products on Amazon first page. How to increase Amazon sales. How to use Helium for keyword research. Please keep watching this video till end if you want to understand something. Hello guys, how are you all? I hope you all are fine and well. In this video, I'm going to show you how to rank Amazon products on Amazon first page, how you can boost your Amazon sales, and how you can do keyword research with Helium for your Amazon product. Let's start. Before rocking it, our humble request to all of you guys, if you're new to our YouTube channel, please hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon to get more informative videos in the future. Amazon has 300 million plus active buyers worldwide, 90 million of which are Amazon Prime members who spend an average of $1,300 per year on the platform, with the remaining 220 million non-Prime members spending an average of $700. So how you can target them to get sales, how they can reach out to your product. 70% buyers when searching on Amazon buying items from Amazon first page. So how you can rank your products on Amazon first page. To rank on Amazon first page, we must need to do proper keywords analysis. You have to use most searched words on Amazon with less competition. Here you can use Helium to know about keywords search volume on Amazon. And we can also find out our competitor keywords to rank there where we want. I'm going to share my desktop screen to all of you guys to let you know how you can do keyword research with Helium, which will help you out to rank your products on Amazon first page.
Let's suppose this is our Amazon product which we want to rank on Amazon first page. Just copy ASIN number and log into your Helium 10. Now, if you don't have an account on it, then please check out the sign up link in the video description below. You can also use promo codes from the video description below to get discounts. Drop down Keyword Research tab and click on Cerebro. Paste copied ASIN number over here. Click on Get Keywords. It will start gathering all the data from Amazon. You will get a lot of information over here. Please use filter as per your requirements. Do match type organic. Let's apply those filters. Do search volume high to low. Here we can see most searches on Amazon choice words. We can't rank with those words. As you know, those are Amazon words. So we can't rank on them. We need organic words. So need to apply filter of no badges from here. So it will help us to avoid Amazon words or sponsored words. Now here we can see fully organic keywords. Now what you need to do here, find your relevant long tail keywords. Long tail means those words contain more than 3 characters. Use words those have searches more than 500 and use competition less than 2000. Check their yearly graph from here. Write down each word in the notepad file to make your product title. And then use those words in the product description 2 to 3 times with the same sequence. You can also use a competitor ASIN number to get his keywords with Helium 10 Cerebro feature. Now just update those keywords in your Amazon listings, you will get good results.
This is not the only way to get ranked on Amazon, but this is very important in my point of view. That's why I shared it with all of you guys. Now this is your turn how you can find best keywords for your product with Helium. Start working on your Amazon product to get ranked on Amazon first page. I hope you will like this video. If you have any questions, then please write down in the comment section below. I'll try to reply as soon as possible. Thanks for watching this video. We will meet soon in the next video. To take care of yourself and your family.